overwhelmed. Just had perhaps the least productive weekend I've had in months. It was good. I sat on the couch and watched basically the entire season of Love Island Australia. Not my proudest moment, but it did feel great. But I woke up and I was like, oh my god, I want to organize my entire life. So welcome to the most like casual last minute getting my life together organization vlog. Up first, we are in my closet. I've gotten into the habit of just like throwing random stuff in random places, and it's just like making me feel discombobulated. In my closet, I just have a bunch of drawers. Here's drawer number 1. Oh my god, there's just a lot. Okay. Oh my god. I have so many Skibidi toilet cards that my roommate got me from China, which I love, but it's like, okay, we just gotta organize it. Oh my god, I don't really know how to even go about organizing this. This isn't great, but it looks a little bit better, I guess. This is my boyfriend's stuff, so I'm ignoring that. Here are some clothes, and I'm going to look through them to see if I want to donate them or sell, perhaps. Just like something, because I just don't wear a lot of them. These are all of my like athletic tops, shorts, leggings, biker shorts. I wear all of them. Okay, yeah, like this one, I don't. I really thought I would when I bought it. This one I used to wear quite often, but I just don't anymore. Yeah, everything else is good. It doesn't look very organized, but I try to keep it kind of somewhat organized. Okay, here, oh my god. T-shirts, sweatpants. Honestly, I've had these for so long. I don't really wear them, and it might be time. I have such an emotional attachment to my t-shirts. I'm just organizing this because I know damn well that I won't get rid of anything, even though I should. Okay, but at least she's organized and I can see them. Here, oh my god, these are like thinner socks. These are thicker socks. Okay, that's like in theory that, and then these are swimsuits. God. Honestly, like I probably should go through some of my socks. Okay, you know what? I have such an emotional attachment to every single one of them. I should get back into therapy. This is like everything else. I don't think you need to see my bras and undies and everything. Here are all of my purses. My boyfriend and I recently got the mini Trader Joe's insulated like tote bag, lunch bag things, and they're so cute. Like, did I need it? No, but I couldn't help it, okay? Stickers. Shipping label stuff. Found my keys for my PO box. Amazing. These unfortunately will be going into the drawer that we organized first. So we're just gonna dirty that up. Perfect. Ew. Okay. Another receipt. What is this? Oh, Costco. Yes. Cute. Okay, it's not perfect. I can't even argue that, but it looks a little bit better. It was looking very cluttered. It's easier on the eyes, and that's really all I could wish for. I think I'm going to shove these somewhere. Oh, maybe over here. Yeah, look at that. Out of sight, out of mind. This door fell off and fell onto me. I was like, hey landlord, can you fix this? He was like, okay. Okay, it's fine that it fell on me. It's fine. I don't care. So it's fine. It's fine. Looking at the closet, it's cluttered, right? So these are all of my clothes for Depop. I usually have nothing here, but this just has to stay here. This is how I stay organized. All of these clothes down here are color coordinated. It just feels good to have a color coordinated closet, but I want to go through and make sure that it's actually in color coordinated order. I'll look through it to see if there's anything I want to get rid of. I just keep going thrifting. The moral of the story, I have issues. Don't we all though? Love this top so much, but I'm keeping it. I don't care. Okay, looking good. This is what we're looking at. So far, I'm getting rid of 3, 6, 7 pieces. This is good because I just feel like it's just a little full and I don't really wear all of it. And so it's good to just look through it really quick. While I'm here, I'm going to just organize my boyfriend's head as well. Look, it's like light to dark, dark to light. Like that's cute, you know, whatever. Like I said, Depop clothes, these are outerwear pieces, sweaters up here. Given that it's gonna be cooler weather soon, it's just like wishful thinking. But I just wanna like go through this in my sweaters, pre-season stuff. They look so cozy up here. They're so cute. Deciding to part with one sweater. Honestly, now that I'm looking at my Lightning McQueen, I can't reach it. Okay, but I think I might sell that because I used it for Halloween. It's like for kids, like to do like their trick-or-treating. I use it as my purse for my costume and it was perfect. It was so cute. Here's a picture in case you were curious. I felt so cool. And yeah, so I'll probably part ways with that even though I love it so much. But I'm like, girl, what are we doing? What are we doing? Okay, I got this down. I'm just gonna donate it. It served me so well, but now maybe an actual child will get to use this. Inside of it, I found these 2 British flags. I was Lightning McQueen, my boyfriend was Mater. My roommate was Queen Elizabeth. So we were both queens, like unplanned. And my other roommate was a minion. So we looked pretty fitted walking around West Hollywood and our other Halloween parties. Anyways, love her so much, but gotta say goodbye to her. Here are my dresses. Oh. Stole this from my mom. Haven't worn it. Don't think I ever will. It's so short on me. Very cute, like lace velvet, but she's gone. These shelves over here though, Christmas decorations. This is my art shelf. My boyfriend's shelf has his steering wheel and whatever else. Here are my jeans. I just went through these semi-recently and these are all good. And I am so conflicted. I really want to get rid of my black jeans, but I only have non-black jeans. So I fear that I am going to need some black jeans and I just won't have any. I'm just like convinced that the world is going to end if I don't have black jeans for something. Definitely won't get rid of anything on these, but I do need to reorganize it. I might get rid of this skirt, even though it's so cute. It's like this pleather Abercrombie and Fitch skirt. I just don't wear it though. Oh, I'm breaking my own heart. Okay, there she goes. Wow, it does look a lot better. Okay, perfect. Here are all of my shoes, which I think I'm good on all of them. Okay, here are all of my clothes that I am going to either sell or donate. So I'm just gonna put them in piles. My closet looks so much better. The clothes are perfectly going from light to dark to dark to light. I tried my best on that one. And also I tried to color coordinate the top as well. And the dresses, these are just here. So that's good. I have a few things to add on my Depop, which is great. Love that. Also, this looks so much better. It's such an eyesore when it's unorganized, but it looks great when it is. So closet, bathroom. I have so many clothes here that I really want to to use for sewing projects, so I need to organize my sewing things. This over here is my little sewing corner. As you can see, I have my sewing machine, I just got an iron, and then in the corner I have my bag of like sewing things. I have so much stuff in here, overwhelmed. So these are all shirts that I want to use for their fabric, and then in here is like the most random like sewing stuff. I have so many scraps and stuff like that, so I just need to kind of organize all of this. It looks god-awful, but it looks better. And now I have all of my fabrics that I want to use for sewing in one place, which is awesome. Forgot on my desk I have my sidewalk chalk that I use sometimes for clothing chalk. And then I have random bobbins and thread for beading, bobbin, black thread. So we'll put this away. And then this is my Hello Kitty Hawaii bag. Isn't this so cute? I think it's just the perfect bag for my sewing stuff. Put this into the corner. So now we have to deal with my iron and then my sewing machine. And I want to put my sewing machine on my desk because I feel like I have it. I'm going to show it off. I want to see it constantly. Oh, she's perfect. I love her. Conveniently, my iron is next to this little like cubby thing, which has, oh my God, a lot going on in here. But I do think I'll be able to fit my iron in here, no issues. Yes, perfect. I have not used it yet because I'm scared that I'm going to burn a hole through my clothes. Perfect. This looks so much better over here. My prized possession. And then over here, I also have my little pins displayed for sewing. They're cute and colorful and they kind of go with the vibes over here. It looks so cute. Here's my donation pile. I keep my donation bag in my car in theory because when I go thrifting, I can just do it. There's a heat wave. I feel like I'm gonna throw up and I just walked outside. Yay, the donation bag is honestly full now. So this is good. Hopefully I'll remember. You know how it goes. It never works that way. I feel like I need to have a moment of silence for my Lightning McQueen. Okay, that's it. Yay. Actually, while I'm down here, I realized that I need to collect my little things that belong in my room. Some pairs of shoes and then this hat. Okay, perfect. I feel like I've been a slob. Clearly, this is what I should be organizing. Unfortunately, this is what it looks like to be organized. It's looked a lot worse than this. This is good. Let me close that. Especially, like, I'm scared it's gonna fall on me. I smell a lawsuit. Just kidding, I would not win that one. So somehow I need to squeeze 2 pairs of shoes in here. Like doing this, I'm like, okay, maybe I should consider getting rid of some shoes, but no, I can't. We are revisiting my bathtub. I have 2 tops. I thought these were pants. Okay, I think this is dirty. This is my sleep shirt. But I have just like random stuff on here. The whole thing was filled with my fabrics that I want to make tops out of. So I'm glad I got rid of that. That has been there for weeks. Like, I'm not kidding. Anytime I filmed in here, I just had to like move it into my closet or in my bedroom and move it back. Like, it was just like constantly being moved. My roommate gave me this. Isn't this so cute? It's a little sun balm bag and then it has sun balm products in it. You can't see, but they're in there. So I'm gonna put this away, put my contact stuff away, and then I'll be feeling so much better. Sometimes when you take care of your space and you organize the things that you have, you feel better and your space feels more livable. Who would have thought? I talk about her constantly. I love watching Voice Notes with Jordan Theresa here on YouTube. She's like, I was living in squabble. Squabble? Squabble. And she was like, it takes so much effort and time to tidy and stuff to not live in squabble. Squabble? What is the word? Is that like a UK, like European thing? I don't know, but anyways, I feel that. The amount of tidying it takes to just like live in a half decent room and home, it's exhausting. Let's just be grateful for what we have and where we are, okay? Put my contacts into my contacts box. kind of crazy. Like, what am I looking at? I was not planning on venturing into here, but I do feel like I need to just like, oh my God, organize it just the tiniest bit. Like, why? I am not dealing with any of this, but like, why, you know? This looks good, actually. What? This looks great. Okay, perfect. I looked behind me and saw that my plant's leaves are like falling off. So I feel like maybe it's time to water it. Oh, this poor thing. Do you see this disgusting water here? I should probably take out these plants. The water's like, ew. Yeah. Ew, this thing looks so gross. Ew. Oh my God, it looks worse in the daylight somehow. Ew. Ew. Okay, we're at the vanity. I realized that my vanity is very cluttered. It's not too bad, but I just gotta kind of organize my items. And then this, my little jewelry holder, just feels so cluttered. Why is this sticky? Hello. It smells like watermelon. Okay, that's it. This is just something very light, very fun. Maybe to get you in the mood to clean a little, just tidy. I don't want to live in squabble. Squabble. What is the word? What is the word? I don't know anyone that uses it besides her. So I'm just led to believe that it's a European thing. I don't know. Anyways, thank you so much for watching. Okay, bye. I'll see you next time.